Hello everyone! Kamustang lahat? It's Michael here and welcome back to my channel. Dragon fruit is one of the many fruits na I really like to eat for snacks and even gawing juice. Yung iba, hinahalo ito sa mga salads at ginagawang desserts like ice cream. But in this video, I find them pretty na maging ornamentals din at the same time. I think before naipakita ko na sa inyo yung video ng aking dragon fruit from seeds in one of my reels if hindi ako nagkakamali. So 3 years ago, I started planting dragon fruit from seeds, but of course, you can plant them through stem cuttings, which is very easy and mas madali na mamunga if you want them to eat. But in my case, gusto ko siyang gawing ornamental plant, kaya ilalagay natin sila sa paso. But in my case also, bonus na lang pag namunga siya. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako mag-propagate ng dragon fruit. This is my dragon fruit na napatubo ko from seeds, and gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, it took me 3 years para lumaki ng ganito. What I did is, every time na lumalaki siya ay nire-repat ko siya sa larger pot para mag-grow palalo, and now ang dami na niyang babies. And yung mga babies na yan ang gagamitin ko for the propagation. So what I am going to do is, of course, kakat ko sila from their mother, and so far nakakuha ko ng around 8 pieces I think. At marami pang babies pero some of them sa susunod na lang sila ire-repat. Focus muna tayo sa 8 steps. Yung next na ginawa ko is after cutting them, hindi ko muna sila tinanim agad-agad. What I did is pinatuyo ko muna sila overnight. The reason why I did this para hindi mabulok yung fresh cuts ng stems. And after an overnight stay, we are ready to plant them sa small plastic cups. And by the way guys, yung dragon fruit pala is a tropical fruit that grows on a cactus. It is also rich in many health benefits dahil low in calories siya, and at the same time high in fiber and antioxidants pa. And going back, here with me is yung pre-moist potting mix, and if you are going to ask, bakit pre-moist? Yung sagot is para hindi ko na siya didiligan and para maiwasan na din yung pagkabulok. But before we continue, I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa aking mga viewers na matayagang nanonood sa current at past videos ko. Maraming salamat po. At lalong-lalo na sa mga subscribers ko na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. And if you are happen to be new to my channel at hindi pa nakasubscribe, kindly click the subscribe button para maging updated ka sa latest at sa susunod na videos ko. Baka naman. Salamat! Right now, isa-isa ko silang tinatanim sa small plastic cups, and this is a tip guys, if you are propagating through stems, better na ilagay mo na sila sa small plastic cups. The reason is, aside sa makakatipid ka sa potting mix, yung water retention ay mas mabilis. Dahil the more na mas malaki yung lagayan ng stems, the more yung absorption ng water. Which is matagal yung pagstay ng water. Which is not good, lalong-lalo na kung wala pang roots yung mga plant. This is only applicable sa mga maliliit na stem cuttings, and if malalaki naman yung cuttings mo, I think better na itanim na directly sa lupa. Ito naman yung mga napag-ugat ko na, and gagawin ko, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, while lumalaki sila, nililipat ko sila to larger pot. Kaya for repotting sila din ngayon. And I just want to share lang din, growing up, I really want to have a dragon fruit plant sa bakuran namin for personal consumption pag namunga. And based sa nakikita ko at napapansin ko, parang low maintenance lang talaga sila. And yung iba kasi parang nasa gilid lang ng bakod na gumagapang. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching at makakaasa kayo na pagbubutihan ko pang gumawa ng mga relevant videos for ornamental plants. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!